Khubani Ka Meethai in my style. These are the apricots that have been soaking overnight. So we'll de-seed them now. So these are the de-seeded apricots. So these are the seeds. Inside each seed is a nut which looks like an almond. Tastes better than an almond. Yeah. Cracking the apricot seed over here, it's purely optional, but remember the nut is very flavorful, in fact more flavorful than almonds. So if you have the patience, do crack them and use it in the sweet. So here are the nuts cracked from the apricot seeds. It wasn't a tough nut to crack, so we can now use them for the sweet. So let's start the process. These are the soaked Khubani. These are the soaked apricots. So these are the strained apricots, soaked and drained apricots. So now we'll cook in the same water that we soaked the. So as you can see, the apricots are cooking in their own water. Yeah, so it takes very less time to cook. Maybe in 15 minutes they cook. So let's close it. Yeah. Yes. Add custard powder to room temperature milk to make a solution. Mix the custard powder and the milk, which is at room temperature. Whisk it to make a smooth solution. This is approximately 2 cups of milk boiling. Add the custard mix to the boiling milk and stir briskly to avoid lumps. The custard is now ready, but I forgot to mention that I added 3 tablespoons of sugar while making the custard. Now let's wait for the custard to reach room temperature before using it in the Khubani Ka Meethai. Now here's our Khubani cooking away to glory. The apricots have cooked in 15 minutes, so now just mash them with the ladle. You can mash them with a potato masher or a mixie, but it's not required. It's good to have bits of chunks in the sweet. Yeah, now add sugar. After adding the sugar, cook everything together for a few more minutes. Allow the Khubani to come to room temperature before we start layering with the custard. Yummalicious, isn't it? So these are raisins. Now we are looking at apricot nuts and pistachio and tutti frutti and sliced almonds and cashew nuts. All this will go into our Khubani Ka Meethai. Now comes the layering of the Khubani Ka Meethai. It's best served with custard. So first layer is of the Khubani, and then comes the dry fruits. Yes, any dry fruits. Yes, and one layer of custard. Yes, and some more dry fruits, and then another layer of the Khubani or the apricot halwa. Yes, in goes the pistachio, cashew nuts. Keep the layered Khubani Ka Meethai in the fridge for few hours. Let's begin our new year with this Khubani Ka Meethai. So let's welcome 2020 with this Khubani Ka Meethai. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. To subscribe to my channel, it's free. Hit the bell icon for notifications of my new videos.